2015 Nissan Juke front bumper. So first and foremost, we're going to go ahead and open up the hood. So a couple basic tools that we're going to need. It's going to be your flathead screwdriver, a screwdriver of Phillips, and a 10mm socket wrench. Alright, so today we're going to start off from the bottom. Go ahead and get a 10mm and remove these screws right here. Like that. Same thing on the other side. Alright, on this vehicle right here, it's actually missing some plastic push pins right here. So there's going to be like 1, 2, 3 of them right in the bottom, like right here. And you can just take it off with a flathead screwdriver. Alright, so we're going to go ahead and move on to the driver's side fender well. So on this particular car, we're going to start off with a flathead screwdriver right here, and we're going to remove this push pin right here, this plastic rivet push pin. So just basically put your flathead in there and just push up, and this comes right off. Okay. And then on this one, just go ahead and jiggle it out. If that's not possible, all you do is get your flathead and you wedge it in there. So basically what you're trying to do is you're trying to wedge your flathead into this bracket, plastic bracket system where you just push it down and it'll come right off. Once that one's off, you don't have to completely move the whole fender accent piece. Just push it to the side. And then right in the bottom of it, there's another push pin. Get a flathead. Push down on it. So there's one more right there. And then go ahead and get a 10mm and move that screw on the corner. Right there. That should loosen up the sides for you. Alright, same thing on this side. Go ahead and remove this plastic push pin on the flathead. Same thing we did the other side, we're going to jiggle it out. Alright, same thing on the other side. When you remove this part, go ahead and move to the side. We're going to remove this 10mm right here. And same thing on the bottom. That should be good. Pop that side off. 4 push pins on top. Again, that's with a flat head. Tie it back up. Push. Right left. Alright, so there should be 4 on top right here. Alright guys, on the bottom of this bumper right here, we're missing these push pins. There's usually 3 of them right on the bottom. Okay? So this particular vehicle is actually missing this. Alright, so once these push pins are removed, let's go ahead and you can actually go ahead and remove the bumper. So this one's actually a little wedged in because of the accident, so I'm gonna force it out. Go ahead and remove this bumper. So keep on supporting it. We're going to take off the fog lights. So on this particular wire harness, you don't push down on this clip, you actually push up on it. So you push up like this and you pull down. So that's how you remove these wire harnesses.
Thanks for watching our 2015 Nissan Juke front bumper removal video. We will link the install video next up here. Leave a like if this helped you out. Subscribe, don't forget to hit the bell notification. And if you need any painted parts, visit us at ReveMoto.com. Thank you.